Good morning students. In this video I am going to explain about the selection control flow. Okay. In this selection control flow we can see one example. What is selection control flow? Its selection control flow is nothing but it determines which statement want to be executed. Depend upon the condition, the particular statements will be executed. If the condition is true, one statement will be executed. If the condition is false, another set statements will be executed. Okay, that is called selection control flow. Okay, so here I am going to explain an example to check a person is eligible to vote or not. As per our government norms, what's when the person will be eligible? If the person age is greater than equal to is 18 or above 18, he is eligible to vote. So here the particular logic is going to denote that only. Okay, you are going to write the logic. If you give the input age means the program will tell whether he is eligible or not eligible. Okay, so see the algorithm. Start is the starting position of the algorithm. Okay, then how many inputs required? Here the input is age. You are only going to check the age is eligible. So only one input, that is age. Read age as input. So I am going to use the selection statement here for checking. Check if age. Okay, for example, if the age is 16 greater than equal to 18, whether the condition is true, 16 greater than equal to 18, it is false. If the condition is false means it won't print it is eligible. It will come to the otherwise. If the condition is false, it will come to the next condition. Display the person is not eligible to vote. Suppose if the age is 19, what will happen? 19 is greater than equal to 18. At that time, this condition is true. At that time, it will print it is eligible to vote. Okay, here only one condition. What is this? Greater equal to. That means greater than equal to. Either he is 18 or more than 18. The person is 18 also eligible and more than 18. That was greater than and equal to. Okay, then we can see the pseudo code for this example. The same thing I am going to write it as a pseudo code with a set of keywords. Okay, so first there in algorithm you have to use start here begin. Begin is a keyword to start the pseudo code. And how many inputs required? Only one input, that is age. So read is a keyword, age is the variable. Read age. Here I am checking a condition. If age, for example, if your age is 19, okay, 19 greater than equal to 18. Condition true or false? Condition is true. If this condition is true, it will display is a keyword. Person is eligible to vote. Suppose your input is 16 or 15. This condition is false, right? 15 greater than equal to 18. Condition false. At that time, this else will come. If the condition is false, it will come to the else part and display the person is not eligible to vote. See here, inside the begin and end, you given the space. This is indentation. Similarly, if and else, the next line will be indented. Why? This is the body of the if. This line belongs to this if. Okay. Again, this statement belongs to this else statement. So always, if you are started with the multiple statements, you have to end with the multiple statements. So if, end if. Again, begin, end. All of you understood? Now we are going to see about the flowchart. Okay. The same pseudo code I am going to convert it into flowchart. Okay. For flowchart, first starting symbol and ending symbol is the terminal symbol. Inside we have to write start and stop. How many inputs required? How many inputs required? The input is only one input is required. Okay. So age is 18. For example, here I am taking 40. Here we can see clearly about the selection control structure. See, I am checking a condition. If 14 greater than equal to 18, whether the condition true or false? The condition is false. So the diamond symbol, decision symbol is used to take the decision. If this thing is false, this condition is false, it will execute or print this statement. He is not eligible. Suppose 25. If the age is 25, now what will happen? The condition is true. So it will execute this statement. It will display the person is eligible to vote. So this is called selection statement. Selection statement is used to determine the actions which want to perform. If the condition is true, this statement will be executed. If the condition is false, this statement will be executed. Suppose your input is 18. For example, your input is 18. Now what will happen? 18 greater than equal to 18. Whether the condition is true or false? The condition is true. Why? We are using greater or equal. The symbol name is greater or equal. It accepts the equal or greater. So again the condition is true. It will print this statement. Okay. For printing we have to use parallelogram symbol. Now multiple flow lines are coming. So we have to use the connector symbol and stop the flowchart. Okay. I hope you understand these concepts. Thank you, students.